Want to clear all your saved posts on Instagram? Here's the fastest way to do it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, tap the three lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Saved. Here, you'll see all your saved posts and collections. Tap on All Posts to view everything you've saved. Now, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the options, select Select. You can now choose posts manually. Or, if available on your app version, tap Select All at the top. Once selected, look at the bottom and tap Unsave. Confirm the action, and all selected posts will be removed from your saved list. Some versions of Instagram may not have a Select All option. In that case, you'll need to select posts manually. You can remove saved posts faster by selecting multiple posts at once. And that's how you delete saved posts on Instagram.